Hey, friend, I hope you're doing well. I appreciate you watching this. This is Good Time Tommy again coming at you. Some of you may be new. Some of you have been here a while. Some of you don't know who I am. Some of you try to unsubscribe. I completely understand. The reason why I do this is I want to be at top of mind. If you ever have a question about real estate, whether it's buying, whether it's selling, or if you want any information about any of the special financing companies or any of the special financing options, we have that for you here. Me and John Jones own Premier Mortgage Group. So want to give you a little update. The Fed met yesterday, and of course, they did raise the Fed rate by 25 basis points. That didn't really surprise anybody. Most of that was already priced into the future. So I've done several of these videos on mortgage rates, interest rates, or 10-year treasury. Pay attention to the 10-year treasury as the Fed fund rate goes up. The Fed yesterday was saying they're tough, man. They if you ever listen to them, it's almost impossible to understand what they're really saying. You got to have somebody that can comprehend what they're saying. And one of the things they're talking about is inflation looks like it has improved and it's going down. Well, as inflation goes down, mortgage rates are going to go down. So pay attention to this. Don't listen to the Fed funds. That's really not that relevant. What is relevant is the 10-year treasury. In the last 2 days, we've had some very good progress. It peaked last fall at about 4.30, and now it's down under 3. It's around 3.4. That's a good sign. So historically, 30-year mortgages trade about 200 basis points higher. So a 3.0 10-year treasury should be about a 5% mortgage rate. Eventually, we're going to get back to that. So it's looking really, really good that our mortgage rates are going to get back down closer to 5. It may be 5 or 6 months before that happens. But here's really what I want to tell you. The resilient thing about real estate is this, or in our local market. Rates in November, and so much about price and home values is determined by what mortgage rates are. Mortgage rates got up into the 7s, mid-7s. Maybe some people even getting quoted around 8%. Here's what the beauty happened for us. Builders and sellers did not flood the market like people were thinking that there's going to be a lot more homes on the market. I think right now, Cam, how many homes do we have on the market? A little over 1,200. So we're still selling between 500 and 600 homes a month. So we're staying right at about a 2-month supply. I don't have the stats right in front of me, but about a 2-month supply of inventory. What that means is if no new homes came on the market, it would take 2 months to sell them all. Well, right here where we are, we're getting close. I think a balanced market is in the close to 3-month supply. We're getting pretty close to that. But if we continue to stay here, our home prices have been protected. Now, we did peak in June. Home prices have come down. But last year in 22, we still had a year of appreciation. Right now, I think this year, I think a good, healthy number for our market would be to stay flat to 2%. We don't need the appreciation to continue to go crazy, because at some point people just can't afford the house. So hopefully we just don't go backwards, but it's looking better and better as the reports are coming in. More and more inflation reports show that the inflation is behind us. The next big report will probably come in May 10th. I believe by June, mortgage rates are going to drop to where it's really starting to open things back up. So seeing more and more encouraging signs that tell me that hopefully the worst of what we were expecting is, some people may disagree, but I feel like October, November, December, and January have been really rough months for our market. So hopefully by summer, I don't think we're going to see crazy ask multiple offers, but I do think this spring we will see multiple offers. I don't think a lot of people are going to go over like they've been doing, but you will see multiple offers. So just want to share this information. If there's anything I can do, especially for our mortgage company, let us know. Have a great day. Again, I'm Good Time Tommy.